Hi, my name is Brad Wolf, and I'm a student of Anthony Morrison and partner with Anthony program. Now I tell you, it's a really amazing program. You know, don't underestimate the power of knowledge and skill. And I've said, you know, in many times, and especially to my growing kids, that, you know, the thing that's going to really change your life are skills. And Anthony helps to really develop a skill in understanding how to make money on the internet. And so I have not yet started making money on the internet, but I feel very, very excited about the opportunity, because he's literally taking step by step. I'm on lesson number 17 out of 30. And, you know, my intention is by the time we get to 30, we're going to start making money here. And you can do this too. So check out Partner with Anthony. I put a link in the description below. You won't regret it. It's a powerful program. You can do it. It's a great team around you, and I'm really excited for you. Thanks so much for watching. Come check us out. Bye-bye.